Welcome to the Clutter Challenge, week 2. It's the second week. So tonight is I'm recording this early, but I worked really a long time today and I worked late last night, but I'm going to take a few minutes to make sure that my morning starts off well and my kitchen is clean and just ready for a new day. And it's kind of like an evening reset. So I do the dishes, load the dishwasher, start the dishwasher if it's needing to be started, and do a quick tidy up of the living room, pick up anything that's become homeless, and potentially do a sweep of the floor. It just depends on the night or how tired I am. So come along with me. I don't dry my dishes. I don't hand dry them. A health inspector told me that. Just to air dry. It's perfectly healthy. So that's it. Okay, so the rest of my cleaning up is going to just be doing like picking up the socks. Oh, I'm so backwards here. The socks there and a couple things off of the cabinet and kind of like refreshing the couch because the cushions always get messed up. They're never where I want them to be. So I'm going to do that. And I have this beautiful Afghan lady made me. So I put that there for my morning. And I keep my book there or I put it away. And then, so this is our little mail area and like socks and stuff can go in the laundry. That's usually got tissue in it, things like that. So I'm just going to put everything in here and I'll deal with it in the morning. Let's see, and then like just some of my allergy meds and some nail clippers and a hair tie. And those are my dead anniversary flowers that I need to throw away. And just kind of straighten up there. And then it's all good for the next day. And then the dog, she's always got toys and stuff. And then this is our really ghetto setup right now, but we're working on getting a new setup. And then the kitchen table's cleaned off and all of that. And I'll collect all those socks and straighten up the front door a bit. And I'm done for the night. So now that I have tidied up my house, that took me no more than 20 minutes, I'm gonna go read my book and have a good sleep. And then we'll start the morning routine. It's gonna be early morning. It's gonna be like 5:30. That's okay. Then I can rest a little bit.